Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome to Get Ready with Me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I'm a national leader with AVON. And I made this beautiful hat for you guys today to watch me put my makeup on. Isn't it beautiful? Happy fall. Okay, it's not really mine. It's fake. And the blush isn't real. But we are really going to get ready. So let me turn this off and then we will hop right in. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I'm excited to share some great new products with you this morning. I've already gone in with my skincare regimen and I've changed it up a little bit. I've been using some of my new products through Face Shop, which is actually Korean beauty. K-beauty, if you didn't know, is the hottest rage on the market. And currently, when you order through my website, your avon.com/jwoolsey, and you spend $50, you get your own sample pack. So let me show you what's in it because I've already used it this morning. So here we go. The first thing in it is the body scrub. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the Black Rose body scrub. So it has a sea salt in it. It's all paraben free, toxin free. It's water based. Amazing on your skin. Also is the rice water cleanser. It foams up and it leaves your face feeling totally clean. It's so awesome. And then I used my whipped, what's it called? Avon The Therapy whipped cream on my face, which is so luscious, and it just soaks it up. And then my Dr. Belmer's Zika recovery cream, which I told you guys a little story about the other day, which is that Zika is a grass, and we know that tigers after battle would go and roll around in that Zika grass, and they would roll around in it to heal their wounds. And so they took the technology from the Zika grass and used it in the product, and it's healing to your skin. If you've got, skin issues, if you've got damaged skin, it doesn't just have to be on your face, then that Zika recovery cream is amazing to use. So this bundle, little sample pack, you can get free on your avon.com/jwoolsey. When you spend $50, you're going to get free shipping, and use the code FACESHOP and get that bundle. So I've already done all those things on my face. Let's hop in and get dressed. So I'm using the Ink Lasting Primer to help fill in my large pores and I cannot talk today. Cracks and crevices. You guys say hello whenever you hop on. If you're not seeing the red live button, then you're catching the replay. So be sure and hashtag replay so I know you watched and I can come back and answer any questions that you have. So I went a little bit over on that primer. I can feel it. Put just a little bit on my eyes to hold my eyeshadow down. Wow, it feels amazing. So that is the Ink Lasting Primer. So that is on. So my topic this morning I wanted to chat with you guys about is who sets limits on you. And I think that this is probably a topic that most women don't really think about. Or maybe it's you are setting limits on yourself. So this is the Cushion Foundation. So I'm just going to push my Ruby Cell Puff in and pick up a little bit of makeup. And I'm just going to kind of stamp that on my face in different places. And then I'm going to go back and work it in with tapping. So I'm tapping. So I was doing some reading last night, and the author was talking about how we oftentimes set limits on ourselves that nobody else in our lives really expect to set on us. So, for example, if you have a passion to travel and you want to see things and do things, then you sometimes hold yourself back because you don't think you can afford it, or you don't think that you physically could travel. And there's ways to do all kinds of things. There's ways around, I'm sorry, my allergies are driving me crazy this morning. There are ways around the limitations that you have. Money sometimes is a real limitation for people, but if you found a side hustle, maybe like becoming an Avon representative, then you could win free trips. I mean, we haven't paid for a vacation for Chad and I in like 5 years, 4 years, I think. We've gone on all expense paid trips with Avon, and it didn't cost us anything. So we've been able to go to Mexico, Jamaica, Bermuda, where else? Bahamas. Come on, pretty mama. But we've been able to go all those places expense free. So, there are ways to get around the limits that you have. And sometimes those limits are, I don't think I can go and walk 30 minutes at the track because I just don't think I physically can do it. So maybe you can't start out at 30 minutes. Maybe you can start out at 10 minutes. And you get your body used to that 10 minutes. And then maybe the next time you increase it to 20 minutes or 15 minutes. And then the next time you increase it to 20 minutes. And, there's ways to build up to the levels of what you want. I'm going to go in now with a dark brown eye pencil and do these brows. But those limits are something that you sometimes hold in your mind that holds you back from doing the great things that you want to accomplish. So what is it that you hold yourself back from? And sometimes those limits are put on us by other people in our lives, right? I mean, maybe it's a spouse, maybe it's even your mother who says, oh, you'll never be able to be successful at that, or you'll never be able to walk like that or exercise like that, or and we're letting those people speak into our lives. And so sometimes I think we have to figure out, okay, hold on. It's hard to talk and line the brows at the same time. Sometimes we have to decide, okay, this is what I'm going to do, no matter what anybody else says to me, no matter what limits that they think I should have, and I'm going to make it happen. And when you do, you're going to feel like you have accomplished such a huge thing, that you've you moved mountains in your life. And that strength is within you. You just have to tap into it. I never thought that I would be a top leader with Avon or even a top seller 16 years ago when I started. I just was going to be happy if I made a little bit of extra money. Man, am I in a different place today. It's because I never set limits on myself. I knew that other people were doing it, and I just had to make a plan, work my plan, and stay connected to it. Okay. There we go. Loving my translucent loose powder. So we got that on. I'm sorry about my allergies. So I really want you to consider, what things are you limiting yourself on? Is it, maybe it's the kind of food that you cook. I mean, it could be anything. I can never cook Asian food because I just don't know how to do it. Or maybe it's, I could never run a 5K because I'm just not strong enough. So the Time to Shine kit, it's got 3 little books in it, is live on my online store, youravon.com right now. It's for $25. It's got 24 eye palettes. Look at those colors. Whoop. And it's got 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. Guys, this is an amazing offer. And it's limited time. It's not going to be there forever. So don't miss out. So I'm going to go in today with my lighter shade here and cover the lid of my eyes. Here we go. I have some brush fuzz on my face. It's okay. That's okay. We will get it off. But maybe your limit is, I could never do makeup like you do. Why not? Why couldn't you? I'm going to use some of these purple shades down here to work into my crease. It's only way that you're going to overcome the limits that you set on yourself or that other people set on you is to make it a point to try. Those limits are just invisible barriers that you just have to decide that you're going to overcome, that you're made for more, and that you're going to knock them down. You know, I'm sure that there are women CEOs out there that said, I could, you know, there's never been women CEOs of this company, but I'm going to do it and I'm going to knock down that barrier. And they become the women CEOs. It's because they choose. Now I'm going to mix this one and this one to do my blending. And now they're running companies and they're making things happen. Same thing in politics. There's women politics in there in places that never have had women hold office before. And it's because a woman stood up and said, I'm not going to let these invisible barriers hold me back. I'm going to accomplish the things that I want and the goals that I have in my life. And I'm not going to let those limits set me back. So I want to really challenge you guys today to look at what, I'm going to mix these two highlighters and I'll pick up a little bit of this pinkish on my cheeks today. I like it. I'm just going to go right there on the cheekbone. I like it. What do you think? It's good. It's good. Oh, I forgot my concealer. That's okay. That's all right. We don't have to have concealer all the days. We're going to do black on point on the top of the eyelid here. Love my black on point. It just glides on so easily. I say that and then my hand becomes unsteady. So I have a lady that told me that she can't wear glittery eyeshadow because she's 60. And I was like, for real? Why not? And she said, well, I'm just too old. And I said, who told you that? Well, you know, the mainstream says that, you know, once you hit a certain age, you shouldn't wear glitter. And I said, look, that is an invisible limit that you've put on yourself. Quite frankly, no one cares if you wear glitter or not. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes your soul happy. And reach for the things that you really want to accomplish. Nobody else is living your life. Nobody else is walking in your shoes. So do they really get a second thought when it comes to what you want to accomplish? I mean, of course, you want to consider your husband or your partner or, you know, your children if it's going to affect them. But last time I checked, having a healthier family, making better food choices, and exercising isn't going to hurt anybody. Or wearing a little bit of glitter eyeshadow is probably, your husband's probably not ever even going to notice. So, you know, quit letting society or your old mindset put you in that thought process that you can't do something that you really want to do. Okay, love mascara on the lashes because I love my mascara. Going back in for a second coat this morning. I normally just do one. Okay. Alrighty. We got those eyes done. Since I didn't put any concealer on, I decided I better go in with a little bit darker coat. So I'm going to be wearing my Lip Matitude in Ambitious this morning because I'm feeling ambitious. Not letting anybody set limits on me. I'm going to knock down the doors in front of me. I'm going to make today an awesome day. So quit setting limits on yourself. Quit letting other people set limits on yourself and make today amazing. If you like the products that I shared today, please give me a share so that other people can see this video. You can shop for everything on your avon.com/jwoolsey. And when you spend $50 or more, you can pick up this free sample pack with K-Beauty with code FACESHOP. So don't miss this awesome opportunity. It's for a limited time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.